let's look at this. How do you solve this? To solve this, you have to use chain rule. Why use the chain rule? Because derivative have standards. If you are not part of the standard, it is difficult to solve you. This is not part of the standard. The standard we are aware of is the cos of x, which is minus sine x. So the y ds of this is minus sine x. That is the standard. But if you are trying to remove this s now, to put all this gibberish, you can't apply derivative directly on this. But we also know how to differentiate this differently. This is like a pregnant woman. So derivatives are for singles, not for married pregnant women. This cosine is pregnant. So all we have to do is to apply the derivative on the baby in the womb, separately on the mother before we bring them together. All we have to do, you agree with me that originally, this one simply means y is equal to the cosine of 3s raised to power 2 minus 2x. That is the meaning originally. But this is not standard. The standard we know is something like this. Instead of this, we put u here. It means therefore u is equals to 3s raised to power 2 minus 2x. So we can call this one equation 1, we call this one equation 2. Now we can solve this because this cosine is only with one child. These are all standard. So for the first one, we say the y over the u. That is y versus u. This is minus sine u. That is standard. For the second one, we're going to say du dx. That is u versus x. It's equals to 6x minus 2. That is standard, okay? That is 2 multiplied by this. We reduce this one by 1. 1 multiplied by this, we reduce this one by 1. This is what you're going to have. Once you've done it like this, you find the y over the x, which is the y over the u multiplied by the u over the x. Cancel this and this now, we still have the y over the x. Remember, the original question, if you see it like this, is asking us to find the y dx because this one is originally equals to y. Let's continue. So therefore, this is equal to minus sine u multiplied by 6x minus 2. So what is u? This is u. That is minus sine 3s raised to power 2 minus 2x multiplied by 6x minus 2. So we cannot bring this to this side by saying minus 6x minus 2 sine 3s squared minus 2x. This is the final answer, okay? Hope you understand this. Thank you for viewing.